Okay, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's Wednesday morning. Every part that Maggie showed is totally covered in again. As you can see, I'm about ready to let the dog out. Here she goes. She's going through the snow. There she goes. Look at, oh my gosh. Poor thing. She's pedaling. Oh my gosh, look at it out there. My tree. It's way past her head. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a nasty. Gypsy! What you doing, Gyps? Oh, goodness gracious. There's a lot of snow. And it's still snowing. She's in the shallow area right there. Look at the car. Oh my goodness. My little peach tree's buried up there. Gypsy! Gyps! Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? You see the squirrel anywhere? Even around the tree, she's up to her elbows. Oh my goodness. Well, definitely snow. What are you barking at? Snowplow guy. There's a snowplow guy. Think he's gonna plow us or not? Oh, he's just trying to keep the streets plowed out. What? Go get him. She wants to play. Oh my gosh, just my fingers. What? Well, that's a snowplow guy. He's plowing. Just trying to keep the streets open is a problem, I think. I think she's coming in now. You coming in now? Don't blame ya. You can almost not even see my berry bed. Oh well, it's still coming down.